How to apply speed reserve for faster top-end speed. Imagine being able to push your speed even further when it counts most. That's what understanding and applying your speed reserve can do for your sprinting. It's like having a hidden turbocharger ready to activate. But how do you actually use this concept to run faster at the end of your race or during those critical moments? Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to know your maximum sprinting speed. That's the fastest you can run in a straight line. It's usually measured with a timed sprint over 20 or 30 meters. Next, find out your maximal aerobic speed, which is how fast you can go while still using your aerobic system. This is often linked to your VO2 max, or the maximum amount of oxygen your body can use during intense exercise. Once you have these numbers, subtract the aerobic speed from your maximum sprint speed. The difference is your speed reserve. Now, to make use of this reserve, you want to develop both parts. Focus on increasing your maximum sprint speed through explosive strength training, resisted sprints, and technique drills. These help you reach higher top speeds. At the same time, improve your aerobic capacity with interval training at or near your VO2 max. This raises your baseline speed and allows you to recover faster after high-intensity efforts. When training, pay attention to how much of your speed reserve you're using. For example, if your maximum sprint speed is 30 meters per second and your aerobic speed is 25 meters per second, your reserve is 5 meters per second. During training, work at speeds above your aerobic speed but below your maximum. This trains your body to tolerate and recover from high-speed efforts, which is key for maintaining top speeds during races. Adjust your training based on your individual profile. If you have a large speed reserve, you might focus more on boosting your maximum sprint speed. If your reserve is smaller, then improving your aerobic capacity can help you utilize your speed better. It's about finding the right balance for your body. Monitoring your progress is important. Use timing devices or GPS trackers to see how much of your reserve you're using during workouts. If you notice you're consistently working at 110% of your aerobic speed, that means you're training your anaerobic system effectively. But if you're overdoing it and feeling exhausted, scale back to avoid injury or burnout. Applying your speed reserve in training helps you run faster at the top end by expanding your maximum speed and improving your ability to sustain high speeds. It's especially useful in sprint mechanics and acceleration work because it trains your body to reach higher velocities and hold them longer. This dual focus makes your sprinting more explosive and efficient. In short, understanding and developing your speed reserve allows you to push beyond your current limits. By training both your maximum sprint speed and aerobic capacity, you create a bigger gap to work with. This means you can hit higher top speeds and stay there longer during races. Using this approach makes your sprinting more powerful and your endurance at high speeds much better.